There could be another problem you might encounter if your computer is too slow. You can reduce the polygon count before you bridge the two surfaces together. Just go under Geometry, ZRemesher, turn off Adapt, reduce adaptive size to 0. Let's undo. We are now going to reduce the number of squares we see here. Click ZRemesh with the settings mentioned and watch the polygon counts drop in half. If you can't join them, you can try groups looping them before you bridge them using BC5. Now with lesser polygon counts, it should be faster in bridging. Let's try smoothing them. Turn off Polyframe, Shift F,